Hi, welcome back once again. In our last video, we managed to create the menu for the hamburger, and then also, of course, ensuring that the accordion, which you see here, was created. Now, we've also managed to rearrange the same thing in every screen size, like desktop, tablet, and mobile. Now in this video, what we're going to do is to look at how to send the changes we've done, and then how to publish and then share links for other people to comment. So first of all, as you can see, these were the pages we were editing. To send our changes, we will just need to, we can click on send changes, but that will not that will mean that you are still editing, so it will not allow other people. But if we say check in, then it will send it will check us out, or maybe like take us from the page, and at the same time send the changes for other people to be able to check out and edit as well. So let's go here as well and then check in to this page. So once we are through with that, this is the front page. I think we could send the header back so it's not over. This master side will be a bit back. Okay, so to do that, we could always do it this way from here. Send this back. Okay, seems that is already done, so I cannot do it again. Okay, anyway, no, it's because I'm checked out. So if I want to edit, then I have to do this and click on that. Now you see these are now, so now I send the header back, and now I can check out again, or check in the changes I have done. Okay, so when anytime we are checking in, there's a pop-up which has the note, and that is also a good way that you could always ensure that you put some note what kind of changes you've done. So now that we think we've done something that we want to also ensure that it's reflecting on maybe a link we have shared already, the best thing is to click on share, and from here, of course, we can check out. The checkout will allow us to edit this side. Now I'm going to show you different ways to get this publish. Just a second, let this finish. In my case, I already published. Let's see, is there something? This, if you are not working offline, please try again. Okay, so something happened. It looks like let's just go back to, so technically if you come here, you just in this case I already published, so I don't want to go back doing it, but here you can publish to Axios Cloud, or publish locally, or even to some servers that you manage. And the actual cloud, you just do and then select the folder where it needs. In this case, my folder is private, so if I just publish, I'll just show you how to get a shareable link, something that other people can. So even if I publish like that, it's only within the team that has access to my project that will be, because the project seems to be private, not public. So let's see what we could do. If I just go here and say publish, and then let's do a new one. So I'll just click here and then new link. And when you're publishing it as a new, you have the option to even put password. So let's place a password to this one. Let's put hello 123 for example. And then here you can disable or enable comment. So with this, I can then click publish. Now this is publishing here. Let's copy this and use a different browser. So I just paste this one here. Okay, so now I'm already locally, so I shouldn't be, but I think if any other person should, let me try with the privates. I was suspecting to be asked about it, or maybe I copied the wrong link because there were two already there. So let me go back. I'm not sure if it was this one which was the latest, but let's try both. So let's push this one there. Yeah, so this was the latest one, and now I will need to put password to be able to access this one. So that was hello 123, and now I'm in. So that's how to place password. Let me close this one. So that's how to place a password on your cloud link or on your publish link, and then you can share together the password and then the link so that other people can access it. The other thing that we could still check here, if I come here, I can see publish locally, and now I can select a folder or some place where I want this to be. So it's going to be my OneDrive by default, and then let's publish. So this will generate HTML files, and let me just to be able to use that, you need this Chrome extension to be able to view when you publish locally. So now I'm not publishing to actual cloud. So let's go back again. I should have had that one before. So now if I just go back locally and publish, and then we are saying that after publishing, open in browser, and that's why it was trying to open here. I'm not sure if I have activated it. Let's see. Seems I have added it, but I need to check if it's activated or not. So here, let's go to manage extension. It's actually active. Okay, so that should work. So basically when you install, you go here and choose extensions and then enable, and that is what we just checked. Was there something else? That should be all. So this is already something we already checked. It's allowed already. Or did we miss something there? Allow access. So I think that one we have in this one. Let's switch this one on, and after that you should be able to it's already published, but just so that you know, I've checked this one. Open after publishing. And so it will open like this, but this is locally, so it's kind of let me check where I could find that one as well. Just go back to my desktop, and it should be OneDrive. So let's see if I have it. Just I could actually copy this side, or just go to my documents and then actual HTML. So here on my desktop I see this, and if I click here, it shows all the pages, so it generates this kind of files for you. And for example, home, if we click, and we can open it with this editor, and from here you see all the page has been converted to HTML code, and you see everything that we have in actual right here. So this is really handy, and if you just give it to a coder, they can figure out most of the things already. So yep, this is what you will get. And if you click on this, it again will open the home page for you like that. Okay, good. So as a quick check of what we did, we had in the last one we had done this. Well, if you click here, then you have possibility to do these ones. And if we go back to, let's say, tablets again, okay, maybe it should come from here, but yeah, you get the point here. And then if we switch to mobile, it's like that. So I was expecting it to come like that on tablet. Maybe it's more tablet issue. So now you have it here. I haven't done everything, but you get the point how to, and then you have all the other aspect of it on how it should look on mobile. So yeah, basically that is it. And then maybe if you need anything regarding the other, let's check out. Okay, maybe I have used it in okay, so now here if you have the font that I have used for Larial font, there should be a web. From here we can add the CSS web link, and of course this as well, so that then when you publish you will still have the same fonts on the web. And currently we don't have that, and that's why it was when we preview the font is not the same as this one. Aside these, I think you do have actual share, which actual cloud basically. So if we move on to this cloud, then let's see here, if you log in with the same credentials you have, you should be, of course I also have it on my desktop as well, so from your site you should be able to see all the pages like that. And if I click on this again, it will open like this for me, and I can click share, and from here you can also copy public link. So if I just copy that one, I can share and everybody will be able to access it. Yeah, but in this course you have to publish and use password, so just go here and then use the password option to do it. And then let's see, do I have any other links that I think this was the latest, which is with password. I'll just undo that and do a new one. So let's click here, and without password I'll just, and it's in the private space, so when even if I publish, I'll need to also make sure I have the link in public for other people to access. So that's it basically, how to publish your project. And now as a quick last one, how to comment, since we already allowed people to comment. If you come here, you have these. So if you click here, you see the pages that you have created. Here, if you have of course the adaptive views, then you see and here you could also comment. If I click on this and I think this side is wrong, I can just click add comment, and then I'll just hit there and type in my details and post so other people can see. So that's how to add comments to this. In this case, I didn't probably save, so you can always add comment from here. Right, I hope this was helpful. Once again, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.